Hey everybody, my name is Carlos Slaap, watchmaker from the Netherlands, and I thought I'd give you a short update of what's going on. Just a small ride, clearing my head and visiting my mom because I'm in Bergen, where I'm from. She'll just love it down here. This used to be the ice skating rink in the middle of the woods. It's beautiful here. So, clearing the head because next coming days and especially nights are going to be writing mode. Writing the book, Watchmaking Explained, and last evening I was with my mate Orno and we did a full read-through session of the text. He is not that into watches, and definitely not watchmaking, so that was real nice to see his view from what are you talking about. And when I read this I thought and then I read that bit and I thought, oh, so maybe you just swap around. So the text is really getting there. Coming days and nights, more writing. Frank, in the meantime, is doing the look and feel of the book. It's got a mood board and it has to be modern, but a bit more, authentic and watchmaking related. So artisanal. And he's got a nice mood board for how the book is going to look like and the specific sections of working on watches, how to create your own workshop, workbench, all practical things, pragmatic. Last week was so busy with watchmaking. The cow Rolex has to be finished. Within 4 weeks we're going to go to the UK to return the watch, so that has to be finished. Edwin performed a miracle by creating a part, making a part from a module of a limited edition, and nobody in Switzerland ever thought about making spare parts for a limited edition module of a big brand. Alkmaar performed a miracle on a rusty module on top of a Breitling for Bentley. So much work and he did it. So yeah, writing mode coming up. I'm just clearing my head, visiting my mom. Far more updates coming up. But today the weather was too nice to go into the workshop on the Sunday. So from my hometown village, Bergen. Bergen if you're posh, and Bergen if you're just a watchmaker. All of you, enjoy your weekend. It's a short video, but much more. Hope to see you coming Tuesday, 8:30 Central European time. And we're going to do a special desk clock, 8-day clock. And I don't think I've ever did a desk clock before on a live stream. So that's going to be exciting. All of you, thank you so much for your attention. I'm going to enjoy the Triumph and see you soon. See ya. Bye-bye.